Hi everybody. So I'm going to add in Sarah. There we go. So, oh hello.
Oh, hi. That connected really quickly.
Wasn't that seamless?
That really was. Sometimes, you're waiting for ages, aren't you? And you're like, come along.
I
But that was
know.
instant. Brilliant. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
I think I've finally my legs have recovered from the So Hot grand opening.
Oh,
I was very tired. I was
oh, I
very, very
bet.
tired. It was an absolutely amazing day. And the staff in the shop had put in so much work to the shop and made it look absolutely beautiful. But I was absolutely emotionally drained on the way home.
From meeting all those people and seeing all those fabrics.
Oh, it was just lovely to see everybody's faces and to see people's faces when they were walking into like a new quilt shop was just like, it was like going back in time. Because
Yes.
people were just delighted to be there, and lovely to be in a quilt shop because it's been a
Yeah.
while, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been a while. Oh, I'm really sad that I couldn't be there. I looked on Google Maps. I think it's about 8 hours away from me. It's not near, which is such a shame. So, thank goodness there is the website so I can keep stocked up. But
Did you have to do that thing where you look at your phone and you think, did I put that on walk there?
yeah.
Or was that go in the car?
Yeah, oh yes. Yeah. No, it looked like a great day though.
Yeah, it was really lovely, very lovely. Lovely to see people and lovely that people could come into an actual shop and
Actual
have a
shop.
look at
That's
the
it. There's something
fabrics.
really lovely, isn't there, about actually touching the fabric and seeing it and getting a sense of scale and proportion
Yeah,
and
yeah.
putting fabrics together and seeing what works and the colours and everything. It's yeah.
And I mean, I was looking, like, I think I know the website reasonably well when it comes to fabrics. I kind of know sort of my way around it. But then I was looking at different ranges and things and thinking, oh, that'd go really well with that I've just seen around the corner. And
Yeah.
you get a totally different feel for the fabrics when you're out in a shop and you can
In
see them in proper daylight.
yes.
And be able to have a really good look at them. It was really lovely. We wish you'd been there. You were there
Ah,
in
I was
spirit.
there in spirit because you had my projects there. I
We
trust they
did.
arrived.
We did.
Good.
They've been there, and I'm sorry I forgot to bring one back with me. I forgot to bring the really important one back with me.
Luckily, I made
Oh,
two.
well
So I
done.
made two. In fact, the other one's better because this one, the moth, it kind of sits on underneath a little bit, which isn't so good. And this is a slightly smaller version, and I scaled it up a little bit for the one in the pattern. But
You
yeah,
went
this
you
is
went a little bit bigger.
only half an inch, but it just gave a little bit of extra room to get your pencils in and your bits and bobs. So yeah.
Okay. Talk us through what you were thinking with the pencil case. Well, it's not a pencil case though, is it? We spent quite a long time thinking about this and deciding that it's not necessarily a pencil
Not
case.
no. So it's like a Notions pouch. So I mean, I have little pouches like this, and I just have things like seam rippers and tape measures and chalk pencils and all kinds of bits and bobs that you need all the time when you're sewing.
Yeah.
So that was the kind of idea behind this, and obviously it matches all of the other projects that
Yeah.
I've made so far. So we've had the needle case was the first one, and then after that was the pincushion,
Yeah.
and so this is the third one in the series.
3 out of 12.
3 of 12. Yes, I've
It's
still got
such a
quite a
long
bit to make.
time, isn't it? I mean, it's fab that there's going to be a whole load more. There's going to be 9 more.
Yes. I better get sewing, hadn't I? But it's nice, isn't it? It's one a month, so
Yeah.
it's quite a nice pace for me to make them and for other people to make them as well. And these are each month the code. If you sign up to the newsletter, you get the code, don't you,
Yeah.
to get this pattern for free for a month, and then after that month, it turns into a paid pattern.
So people need to be signed up for the So Hot newsletter. The So Hot newsletter this week, because there was a bank holiday on Monday, on a week where there's a bank holiday, we always try and send it on the Wednesday, just so everybody can have a little bit of a breather. Makes it nice for me. So it's going out tomorrow morning. So if you haven't signed up for the newsletter, make sure that you do that this evening, because I'll be scheduling it to post out first thing tomorrow morning. That's the other thing. All of our newsletters go out before 9 o'clock in the morning. Usually I'm scheduling them for like 6 in the morning, so that when you wake up, it's the first thing in your inbox. And you need to have the newsletter to be able to get the special secret password that you can use on Sarah's website to then get the pattern. The other thing that I've noticed today is that we've listed the Easy Notions pouch kit, and there's extras.
Oh, is there? What extras have you put in the kit?
So it is, I've got it here. I'll just check. It's got everything in it that you need basically to make that little Notions case that Sarah had before. So inside it there is 4 fat/16ths of Stay Gold fabric. It might not be the ones that Sarah's showing you there. It might be ever so slightly different. Yeah, it's that side, isn't it? And 2 pieces of batting to be able to quilt it, a zipper, and then you can choose one of the Ruby Star charms. So there is a telephone charm, like an old-fashioned telephone, or there is the really cute little juice box charm.
Oh, yes, I know what you mean. They're on the fabrics, aren't they, those juice boxes?
Yeah, they're very cute.
Very cute.
To go on the zipper. And for all of that, it's £13, which I think is an absolute bargain.
And you get the pants for free if you sign up. So win-win.
Yeah. So head over to the So Hot website, have a look at that. It's in the new section. I had a quick look when I got home today, and the new section has got so much stuff in it. There's Christmas fabrics and all sorts. So the Notion, the Easy Notion pouch kit is about halfway down on the new page. So it's worth having a bit of a scroll through, see what else you can see that you fancy, and order a kit, and then you can go and download the pattern from my website.
That's it. Yeah. And then the other 2 previous patterns are available on there as well. So you can have.
And I think, let me see if I've got kits, if we've got any kits for the other ones, because there may well be. Yep, we've still got a few available. So there is still the needle case fabric and the pin cushion if you want to play catch up, but you would need to go and get the patterns from Sarah's website and download those. There was something else that I was going to tell everybody about. Can you remember what it was, Sarah?
What was it?
I can't remember.
Can't remember either. It's been a long day.
It's been a really long day. What have you done today?
I've been doing my day job today, so
I've been doing my day job as well today.
Have you?
And it was a busy one, hence why I've got a bit of an untidy cup of coffee.
I was going to say, what have you got in there? Gin in there? Or?
No, it's a coffee, and I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, if I drink that, am I going to be awake at midnight?
You might be.
Thinking about the Easy Notion pouch kit. So what have you got on this week? Anything exciting?
Oh, what's going on? Let me just look at my diary. Actually, I'm going to be thinking about the next pattern for this series. Yep, so that's sort of on my mind, definitely. I am going to be making. I'm part of Jenny's book tour. She's got an English paper piecing book out, and Jenny Jackson, and I'm part of her book tour, so I am making the smallest project in the book because that's literally all I can fit in, but I'm going to do my very best to get that done and support Jenny, who's a lovely British designer. And I am doing another Instagram interview tomorrow talking about wellness and quilting, which is quite exciting.
What can you remember what time you're doing that? Because I might come and.
Oh yes, so it's with Healthy Quilting, Rose Parr,
Yeah.
and it's 5:30. I think it's
Ooh.
5:30 or 5 o'clock. I can't quite
Okay.
remember off the top of my head, but yeah, tomorrow
No,
afternoon.
that's good. Weirdly, in our house with small children, the time between 5 and 6:30 is absolutely fine. I can do lots of things because they've already been fed. So
Oh,
they're fed,
brilliant.
and they've been told not to leave the living room unless the house is on fire.
That's good. That's good. So you can join in with that then.
Yeah, I
That'd be
might come and
lovely.
join that.
That would be lovely. How
Yeah,
about you?
that
Have you
would
got a
be
busy
really
week?
The bank holiday always trips me up. So I always
Yeah.
think that today's Monday.
Yes.
Luckily, it's not Monday, it's Tuesday, which means that I'm back on So Hot duty away from the day job tomorrow lunchtime. So tomorrow lunchtime, I'm going to be looking at brand reps and what kind of things they're going to be doing going forward. So I need to have a look and see who we need to send to next, because there's some beautiful fabrics in the shop at the moment, and want to kind of make the most of them. And the other thing that I wanted to make sure that we do is I'm going to try and share lots of the stuff that the brand reps have done this week, last week, because they're very similar colours. And when I chose the stuff that was going to them, I think I must have been in like a jade green, aqua, Maldives kind of frame of mind, because I sent one of the bag reps a beautiful like iCat fabric, which is in blue and greens, to make like a holiday bag. And then our other rep, Hannah, I sent her one that was all blues and greens, and they're both absolutely beautiful. But I need to make sure that everybody sees that one is a bag and one is a quilt. And we'll keep those up there. And then we'll be looking forward to what we're doing next week, which I'll fill in later.
Oh, I look forward to seeing those.
So I'll get the newsletter finished. Look for it in your inboxes tomorrow, first thing in the morning. Get your pattern from Sarah, get the kit from us, and make sure that you share it on Instagram, because it's so lovely.
It's lovely, isn't it, when they all pop up? Yeah, it's really lovely. And seeing them in different fabrics as well.
Yeah.
And seeing some people have made the two already, so it'd be really nice to see those.
And let us know, are you team juice box or are you team telephone? That's what the decision's going to be.
Yeah.
So have a lovely evening, Sarah.
Thank you, and you. Lovely to see you as always.
You too.
And
we'll catch up soon.
Take care.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.